Good morning!
Good morning, everybody!
And today we have another product review. Now, I'm really excited about this because it's very rare I get a product sent specifically for me. So I'm quite excited about this one. This has been sent by Tilswall. It is the M3 electric spin scrubber.
Now, I ordered this, I agreed to this review for you, didn't I, Mazzy? Thinking...
You absolutely did.
Thinking it's something you could use to reach up and clean the side of the motorhome.
Yes.
But I think we've decided it might not be suitable for that.
I don't think it's made for that.
No.
And honestly, if I'll be quite honest, I think it's too good for that. So what I've established, this is going to do multi-purpose jobs. This is going to clean bathrooms. You can wash floors with it. You can do everything. So let's get inside the box and let's just show you exactly how it comes. Now, I wasn't expecting it to be sort of this size. I'm not sure how you felt about that. And look how many different attachment heads you get.
Okay, so 4 different heads.
Yep, so it arrives with 4 different heads, which I think is fantastic because that's multi-purpose jobs there.
So let me just have a quick look at these. They are very firm bristles. Now this is why I don't think it's suitable for the motorhome. They just seem a bit too harsh because our motorhome, the outside isn't metal as such, it's just like a... fiberglassy kind of thing. I think by the time you get a bit of grit in there, your paintwork on your fan you could scratch your
car
motorhome.
Isn't going to do you any good.
So we're going to use it for indoor use.
Yeah, I don't recommend that. So it does come with a DC charger.
AC.
And AC charge. That's a DC.
That's an AC. It's a charger.
It's a charger, and it also comes with like a sticky back hook, right? So you can hook that up in your cupboard, on your shower wall, or wherever you're going to be purposely using this. Right, so it comes in 3 attachments. You also get your little user manual. And do you want to come inside the box just to show? So these are your 3 attachments. And that's it.
That's the empty
That's as
box.
simple as that. So to store that, it's going to take up no room, isn't it? Especially because you can pull it apart and stuff. So I'm quite pleased with that.
Now, can you get it together? That's the big question.
I certainly can. Let's get this together. This is so simple.
I'll tell you what, I put that together earlier and it took me about 10 minutes. And
There we go.
Okay.
So that's it. That's as simple as it gets.
Right, so then what do you do?
And then you pick whichever attachment you want. So let's just go with this one for now.
Yes.
And you literally just, that's it. Just pop it on there like that.
Right, so what's this do then?
I'm not quite sure about that. I think that's so you can get into different angles.
Yeah.
You know, like this. So if you want to sit down while cleaning, you can.
Excellent.
But that is to get into different angles, you know? But I will be testing this later today, so that's going to be an interesting.
We have charged it up.
Yes, very quick.
It came in the box on 2 batteries, 2 lights out of 3.
Yeah.
Now we just we played with it for 5 minutes and it went down to 1 light.
Yeah.
So I put it on to charge and within 5 minutes it's back up to 3 and fully charged. So that's quite incredible.
There's your battery indicator lights.
Yeah.
Once you switch this on, it's going to show you how much battery. It actually is a lithium battery in this, and it takes 1 hour to charge from empty to full.
How did you
that's
know
really
that?
quick.
How did you know that?
You know, some people just don't have time. You get up in the morning and you think, hold on, I need to clean the bathroom. I mean, just to wait an hour.
So there's your charging point.
Yep, there's
very
your
simple to charge it up.
port. Very simple, 1 hour charge.
Well, that's amazing because I only had it on charge for 10 minutes. It went from 1 to fully charged.
Yeah.
So it must have been on a high one.
It could even be quicker than that, couldn't it?
So, how does it work?
So,
There must be a button.
You just push the button.
Go on then.
Just push the button. Right?
Excellent.
And if you push the button again one more time,
Yeah.
you got a second spin.
Oh, I'll tell you what, I bet that's good for my nails.
Okay.
As simple as that.
Yep, and if you push the button again for your 3rd time, it switches it off.
Okay.
So it is the most simplest machine. You know, it's not complicated at all. And even if you wanted to, couldn't be bothered to sort of pack it all, To store that ain't.
Well, you
gonna be
wouldn't
no
have to, would you,
trouble.
if you stick this on the wall?
Yeah, I mean, again.
So
you've
where
got
does that go?
option.
That must clip in somewhere.
Yeah, it must clip in somewhere. I'm not.
It's not in there, is it?
No, that would be your charger point. So I'm not quite sure about that, but I will have a look.
What about taking the head off? Would it go in there?
Yeah, I could do. Let's have a look.
We need to work it out.
Yeah. So I'm not sure how to take the heads off actually. That's it. You just push that same button to angle it. You push that in to release your head. Okay, so I've learnt that.
Right, it isn't that.
No. It
Right, we need
that.
to find out where this will hang, so
Yep.
come back to us. Okay, so I was overcomplicating things, looking for a hole for that to go into. There isn't one.
Which would make sense actually if it did, but there isn't a hole. So I'm guessing it is just as simple as sticking this on a wall and possibly just like that.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's the way it's supposed to be done.
So, you
Yes.
need to review this. You need to try some different cleaning methods and
Yes.
see if it's any good with the different attachments.
Now, I've got to plan for how I'm going to be filming this today, and it ain't going to be in the van.
Okay.
So, what better place to test this than the campsite bathrooms? We're in the ladies' bathrooms.
Even me,
Showers.
and I'm a man.
Yeah, so I've got all my heads down. Not my head, but my heads. And let's give this a try. So to start with, I'm going to start off with my feet one. Let's start with a shower cubicle, shall we?
Go on then, you go for it.
Let's get it a little bit wet first.
Don't forget high up.
Yeah. So, like I said, it is as simple as that, just one button. Let's go for the strong one though. Push it again.
Go for it.
Get the brush wet. Okay.
Whoops. I'm tripping over the chemical there.
This is good for doing your shower glass.
It seems less strenuous than...
That's the word I was trying to look for. It's so less strenuous.
It does the work for you. All you have to do is hold it.
Yeah. And it's not that heavy either.
Any weight to it is actually in the head, not in the arm.
So I've changed heads on this. I've gone for what looks like might be the better one for corners.
I agree.
And also on when you come to public area shower cubicles, the plug holes need a good scrub because you get all the hair clogged up. So let's give this a go, shall we?
Go on then.
So I'm going to try in the corners first.
Yeah.
And then try on. Let's go full whack again. Oh wow. Okay.
Very good.
That really gets in the corners. No effort. Why not?
The one problem we've got with this review is these showers are cleaned every day and they're immaculate, so it'd be better to show you a really mucky place for a review, but we ain't got one.
Right, let's try the plug hole, shall we? See if we can get some hair out of that. That is really good though to get right in there. Oh yeah, you see the grot coming out.
Yeah. You've done get it right in there,
Right
Mazzy.
in there, yeah.
Brilliant product.
Alright, let's turn that off and let's see. Yeah. Yep. This is a brilliant product for your plug holes, absolutely, in your corners. Let's try another
The thing
head,
about
shall
these
we?
heads is they are very abrasive. I'm trying. They're like plastic heads. They're not. They're nylon or something, aren't they? Bristles, yeah.
That's what you're trying to say.
Rather than soft heads.
Yeah. Right. So let's just go for this one.
The round
see how
one.
well this does. Let's get it a little bit wet first.
I'd have thought that'd be good in corners as well. You know,
Yeah.
I mean up these corners.
Yeah, and getting up at the top, stuff like that. Yeah. Give it a go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go. So you are going to get your bathroom spotlessly clean with this. Let's get this. Yeah, that's good.
The beauty about it is you can reach places you wouldn't normally be able to reach with it.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Or be bothered to reach.
Right, so we've got the smallest head on now.
Which is the last head. Like I said, you get 4 of these.
At a proper right angle.
Yeah, proper right angle. And my idea for this one...
What do you mean your idea? This was my idea.
Dan's idea for this one.
Get the dust out of the extractor fan.
Yeah, we all have most of us have extractor fans in our bathrooms, don't we?
Yeah.
And they're usually quite high up. Do you want to show the dirt in it first? Yeah.
Yeah. That's it, side to side. Beautiful.
So that's going to get off any loose dust that was up there. There we go.
So we have a wooden floor in here, but I think that'd also be good on carpets.
I think this will be good
on
for
certain kind of carpets.
Certain carpets, and it'll be good on wooden floors as well. Let's just give this a go and let's see how well this
give it a
goes.
wipe.
You might need a bit of an angle on that, sorry. Let me just...
Yeah, like a Hoover angle.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, this is such... Oh, wow. Okay. See what we go
Now I
down
like
to
that.
this. Yeah.
I like that a lot.
That's really going to scrub your floor, isn't it?
A way to clean the floor without breaking your back. Yeah, that is good.
Oh, this is brilliant! You can even just stand up drinking a coffee doing this. Look. So thank you Tilswall for sending me this to try on behalf of our viewers for the M3 electric scrubber.
Spin scrubber.
Spin scrubber. So I'm going to sum this up. I had fun using it for one. I'm going to be honest, it takes a bit of use to getting used to using it. But it is so practical. If you've got, you know, for bending down and stuff, this is absolutely brilliant. And if you're interested in one, the link is going to be in the description down below.
It's not something for everybody.
No.
You've got to want a specific job for this to use. You know, if you've got, I don't know, a tall bathroom or something, and you need something with a long arm, brilliant.
Well, I can tell you now, the campsite warden himself saw this as a fantastic, useful product that he could be using on site.
Yeah.
So that's how useful these can be. Yeah, and once again, thank you. Hope you enjoyed my review today.
We'll see you all tomorrow.
See you again tomorrow.
You all have a good evening.
Bye.
Bye-bye.